Hello everyone, welcome back to our official YouTube channel. We are Destiny Design Builders Hub. Previous time we studied how you can make a modeling of this simple building. So today we are going to see together how you can make loading, analyzing, and the design of this simple building. So without taking a long time, we can continue. So let's make loading. First, you have to declare the types of loads you need in your structure. You have to press here on loads, load type. We need safe weight as dead loads. These dead loads, this is a safe weight, means this is how our structure is loaded itself. Also, we need roof dead load. You copy, then you paste here, add. Also, we need roof live load. You copy this and then you paste here. I'm sorry. You paste here, add. So those are the types of loads we need in our structure. Dead load is safe weight. Roof dead loads, it's a load of roof sheet. While roof live loads, it's a load that will be caused by doing the making of a roof, about the maintenance, about those people that will be go on 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 our roof trusses to put roof sheet. So those roads we need them, and we can symbolize these roads in terms of values. So this is what we are gonna do. Uh, the next roads we need wind roads. We need wind roads. We are going to generate uh, the winds automatically here in the robot. If you need to load wind, it automatically you come up here on roads. You go on wind load simulation, generate wind. Here in Rwanda, the speed of wind here in Rwanda we consider as 50 meter per second. You pick 4 direction of winds. X positive, X negative, Y negative, Y positive, and then let me start to generate the wind. Okay, you have to wait until the software will be completed to generate those wind rods. It will take a while, but you have to be patient. Okay, let's wait. Okay, this is the wind. This is the winding direction of X positive. The flank is Y positive. X negative. Okay, well, that is the end of our generating the wind loads under the velocity of 50 meter per second. So press OK, then save. Okay, press on close. So our wind loads have been counted. So we can just check them. Okay, on X directions, go in here with symbol. Okay, that is our loads from wind in direction of X positive. So we hide those numbers so you can check. So those are the wind loads in direction of X positive. On Y positive, on Y negative. So already the loads we need from lateral loads like winds have been generated automatically. So after we generate lateral wind loads in our structure, we are going to define our loads like roof dead loads. You need to symbolize those types of loads uh, with the values. We need to symbolize also roof dead load, roof live load. So how you can define those loads? You can just go here on loads, load definition, load. You check the type of load you have here. If it is dead, if it is roof dead load, go on the surface because those roads we are loading those roads under a certain surface. You place its value. Uh, we need 0.25. Add. You can press here, then you select where you want to put those roads. Apply. You see the values we put there. Also, we need to define roof live load. Also on surface. 0.35. Add. Apply. So close. You can check. Roof dead load. I've said, you see dead load. This is the safe weight. How our structure is loaded itself. Load the dead load. These are the load from the roof sheet and also the other materials you can use on roof. So those are the loads we need to symbolize our roof sheet. Also live load. Those are the loads from during we make the maintenance and during we are making our roof. So The load we need have been already inserted. The software have been already recognized them, so you can hide our loads. Then we follow the next step. The next step to follow is to combine our loads by multiplying the safety factor. Let me remind you that we are using British code BIS 8110. I think all of we are familiar about the safety factor we can multiply to our load due to the type of the load we have here. So let's do it. So go on loads, manual combinations. This is ultimate limited state. You go on factor definition. You check if on dead load you have 1.4, live load you have 1.6. If not, you have to write the values here, 1.4, and then you change on the type of load we have. If it is dead load, you can write 1.4. You select the type of the load you need, and then you change. Then if done, you close. Then you select dead load and wind load. Those are the maximum combination we always use under ultimate. Apply. Here we don't need serviceability limited state, but here we need more ultimate combinations. Go on here, new, and then ultimate limited state number 2. Go here on factor definition. We need to combine our loads, all total loads, dead load, live load, and wind loads. You multiply 1.2 as our safety factor on dead load, on live load, also 1.2, change, wind load, 1.2, change, close. Then you select dead load and live load, and then one direction of wind load. Then put there, then apply. Why don't we put all direction of wind together? Because if we do that to combine those all direction of wind in the same combination, in one combination, what we do there, they are cancel each other. X positive can cancel with X positive. X positive can be Y positive can be cancelled with Y negative. So we need to combine every single direction of wind. Apply, then press also new ultimate limited state. Also combine second direction of wind. Apply, also new. Apply, apply, new. Apply. Those are the type of combinations we have here. Get a look. This is ultimate, where we put 1.4 on dead load, 1.6 on live load. Those 4 combinations. This is where we put 1.2 on dead load, 1.2 on live load, 1.2 on wind load. So close. You can just press on save. It's okay. Okay, well, you can check load type. Get a look. This is all loads we need on and the combinations. It's okay. Well, close. Here you can check those wind rods you put there. Every rod you put there, you can just check it. This is dead rod. This is roof dead rod. This is the roof live rod. This is load from wind in direction X positive. Here you can check. This is Y positive, Y negative, and so on. So everything are there. So the remaining is about analyzing. Okay, let's hide those. So the remaining is to make a calculation of our wall, our structure. Let's calculate. You see, there is no comment, there is no L. If you have L in the calculation, you can pick the L, then you remove it. Because you can't keep working even if you have L in your calculation. Even warning too. You can do anything on documents and L if you have. Okay. Place on combinations. You can just check the result about the reactions and moments we have here in our structure. To see those results well, let's hide our cloudings, go on display, right? Okay, let's right click, place on display, go here on panels, and select filling the interior, panel thickness also. Okay, then we have combination ultimate. Our ultimate, our maximum combinations. You can just check the moment and the reactions. Go on the result, diagram for bars, reactions, FZ. You tick those diagram for linear support, descriptions, average value. You check where those four things are selected. Let's apply. Check well the variations of the reactions you have here in your model. This is where the idea of to make the types of the columns we shall have in our structure comes from. Due to the reactions, due to the variation of reactions we have here, that is the thing that gives you the idea of to have any typical of column you shall design in your structure. Get a look. In our structure, it's a simple. Due to the variation of reaction, we have 50, we have 79. The maximum is 79, the minimum is 29. So here we shall have one type of column. One typical column. That is the one we shall design here. Also, you can let me remove this. Then we check the reaction, the moments. Also, press here and then go here on the moment. Apply. Those are the moments. Even if you don't see those values, you go here on parameter. You check well on label, differentiate on field. They are ticked. So if not, tick them. Get a look. If you don't wanna see the values, you can untick labels. You see? if you don't wanna see those field, you can press on here on differentiate. You do untick and field, untick plus. So you can see the thing like that. If you wanna see the values and field, you can see. You can tick those. You make sure the labels differentiate field are ticked or selected. So the maximum moment we have here, this is negative moment. We have negative 10.68. The minimum moment you have here, this is 9.51. So those are the results. Our results are short. They depend to a simple structure we are doing on. Okay, we unselect those. Press here and click on the moment. Okay, well, what we are following, we are going to make design. We are going to start from steel design and we shall follow on RC design. Get a look how I'm gonna do them. In doing steel design, we need to group. We need to make a group of every code we have here. So we have different groups. We need to do groups like bottom chords, it's a group, top chords, it's a group, post and diagonals may be a group, parents a group. So let me just delete those things I did and I'll show you how. Okay, get a look. You have to select bottom chords. You have to select the bottom chords. You go here. This is create a group out of the selection. Press, then open. You rename, right click, rename. It's bottom. It's a bottom chord. Enter. Press enter. And then also select top chord. Chord. Select top chord. Then press on new group, create a group. Okay, right click, rename top chord. Enter. Place, select all parents. let's select all parents. Okay, let's keep select. Okay, group, the name, parents, enter. So select post and diagonals. Let's keep select. Okay. Okay, so it's done. Create a group, then right click, the name, post, and diagonal. Okay, enter. Okay, let me save. That is done. Okay, it's okay. So you can just check the calculation. Nothing change.